Well, thanks a lot for hanging out and checking out Delegate. These are all of the tools you need to get started. There are plenty of new features in the works, and we're looking for feedback from our pilot customers like you to get us information about how else this can be useful in your business. Some things that are already on our radar that we're working on today are procedure templates to help people get started with just some good starting places for if you're a solo business owner that's looking to grow and scale and you want to make this documentation, you may not even know where to get started on what processes does my type of business typically need. So we're going to work with our partners on building templates for if you're an accounting firm. Here are the 5 most important processes you need to document and give you a starting point to work with it. So that's on our roadmap. Another thing are periodic tasks. The idea here is that you can see on our process list, we have both a weekly and biweekly accounting and a monthly accounting process. So this needs to be done every week, every 2 weeks, and things that need to be done every month. It's a different set of steps. Right now, we go into the app each week and we start a new weekly accounting checklist for that particular week. Periodic processes will allow us to set up processes that automatically recur on a schedule, like a repeating calendar event. So our weekly accounting process, we're going to set that up where it repeats every week on Monday. And automatically, it automates the process of you coming in and clicking things and setting up a week beginning date on that process. So that's something really neat to look forward to. We can't wait to get that out there because we know that's going to be really important for people that have, opening and closing procedures they want to document, weekly procedures, things like that. Not just accounting, but it can be as your monthly procurement procedures or your inventory procedures that automatically trigger and people start getting notifications of things that are due. So periodic process is another big thing we're working on. We'd love some feedback from our initial customers on whether or not that'd be useful and how you'd like to see it implemented. One last thing that's on our known list that we're really eager to get some feedback on are how do people want to use the checked off processes? Is there a need in your business to have someone come through and do a final approval on a checklist once it's done? Something that basically once everything on the checklist is checked off, it goes to a final person to verify that everything was done correctly before it gets filed away. So those are 3 different things that are on our radar, things that we want to implement for our business. We're curious to know what you'd like to see for your business. So please get in touch with either myself or Megan on our team, who you're probably already in touch with if you're one of our pilot customers. And if not, we'll be putting some feedback tools directly in the application soon for you to get that feedback to us. So thanks a lot for spending the time with me today. We hope you enjoy Delegate. Please let us know if you have any thoughts or questions or ideas. We'd love to hear them. Thanks a lot.